It's Megan G, and I'm back with another hair tutorial. And in this video I am actually going to be installing a wig on myself. This is a 24-inch water wave 13x4 frontal wig, and what I'm doing here is just going ahead and pre-curling the hair. I'm doing wand curls. When I'm doing my own hair, I usually like to style the wig before I put it on my head, because it makes it easier for me to install it instead of me trying to install it and then curling it and I can't see too good in the back and trying to make sure everything is right. So this is the way that I install wigs on myself whenever I have to do curls or crimps or like cut it into a bob or anything like that. So if this is something that you may also be interested in doing, sit back and enjoy the video. finally, whew, I got me a little color, y'all. Got a little color. Now all I gotta do, put these lashes on, and it's it. But yes, I love it. This is a 13x4 frontal wig. This is Waterway. This is Waterway chocolate brown, and I one curled it. Tip: one curls hold way better with textured hair. You can do water wave, you can do deep wave, you can do like a Jerry curl. Bohemian might be a little bit too tight, or kinky curly might be a little too tight. But water wave, deep wave, or Jerry curl, and your curls will last. And when this hair fall, because the curls are still in it, as y'all saw at the beginning of the video, I had already prepped it, I washed it, I plucked it, I curled it. These curls, I did these curls on a Sunday, and today is Saturday. Actually really Sunday, because it's like after midnight. So really these curls have sat for about a week on my mannequin head. Let the curls sit, and look, they're still in there. Still curls. So yeah, y'all. And I love it. Woo! I feel like a new woman. Okay, y'all. I done done my hair. About to put on my lashes. And I'll talk to y'all tomorrow.